Hello guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. Today, I'll show you how to cancel a PayPal payment. Firstly, access your account by visiting the PayPal website and logging into your account. Click on the Activity tab at the bottom or at the top of the page. Scroll through your transactions to locate the payment you want to cancel. Click on the word Cancel next to the payment to confirm it. A confirmation prompt will appear. Just click the Cancel Payment button to finalize the cancellation. Just note that all payments can be cancelled. Payments sent confirmed email addresses may be processed immediately and cannot be undone. If the payment is pending, it's more likely to be cancelled successfully. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.